Not bad. Oh, sorry. Thought you guys can see that. Yes, some Japanese grape candy. If you guys must. Seriously. Don't ever open packages upside down. It's not bad. Okay, just put that away. I'm gonna grab something. You guys probably know what kind of tutorial this is going to be. What is good, YouTube? It is Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and today I'm gonna try to do my best not to make this freaking tutorial boring. Move this aside. I know you hype beasts, you Kanye West lovers. Reshoevn8r Sole Shields. This is the old packaging. This is not the new one. The new one actually is in a cardboard kind of box, a roll, right? They roll it up, but everything inside is the same. It's supposed to be the same. They should have improved. I'm gonna dump all this crap out. You do get the branded Mickelson. Freaking, I don't care, alcohol wipes. 1, 2, 3, and 4 traction pads. Contents, right? Sorry, it says right there. 2 sole shields, check. Fits up to size 13. 2 cleaning pads, check. 4 traction drag pads. For proper installation, please have these items ready. Scissors. Oh my god, seriously. You're gonna need to have a pen. You're gonna need to have a heat gun. What the heck? Scissors. Flat surface. Check. Heat gun, it is already plugged in. I love this island table. It's like, oh, I need an outlet. It's got an outlet right there. Please visit their YouTube channel for detailed how-to videos. No, that's why you're here, because you're here to watch my tutorial. I do it almost the same as them because I actually copied them. I brought this out because you know what? I'm going to actually waste brand new saran wrap. Let's do the left side. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is. If you guys are like, I'm too cheap to pay $34 Canadian to protect the soles of my shoes before I wear it. All you gotta do is just grab a nice rubber band and just rubber band around the saran wrap. Make sure the soles are covered completely with the saran wrap. Boom, you're protected. Now, I'm gonna do the right side. I'm not funny, I'm sorry, YouTube. If Lee was here, I would totally saran wrap his face, his body. Step number 1. Grab this, or you can grab any kind of alcohol wipe. Just make sure that the bottom of the shoes are clean, check. Dry, check. And, you know, there's no rocks and pebbles or like gum, poo-poo stains, you know, whatever on the shoes, because you don't want that to be sealed up. They actually say that it lasts for about 20,000 steps. Just make sure that you don't wear it outside when it's heavy raining, snowing. Don't run with it. Don't play sports, right? You're supposed to be very careful as you're walking. I don't even know why. If you're the kind of person that likes to, you know, do a lot of running and walking and stuff, and you're like, I still need to protect my shoes. Don't put Sole Shields, Sole Protectors on your shoes. Wear a different pair of shoes, okay? Appropriate for that situation. I opened this alcohol pad. I'm going to wipe the surface. Just circular motion back and forth, like rubbing someone's buttocks. I don't need to go too crazy because I know this shoe is clean because, believe it or not, this is the same pair that my customer gave me to actually deep clean it a while ago, and he brought it back for me to put some Sole Shields on. I don't know why. For some reason, if you guys check my Instagram at sneaker.clinic, you will see the before and after photo. This was not as damaged as it was when I gave it back to the customer. I don't know what happened, so let's let this air dry for a bit. What you need to do next is make sure that the Sole Shields, or whatever you're using, different brands, different kind of application method. The shiny side goes the bottom. Don't mess this up. Oh, my burgers just came out. Don't mess this up. Don't flip it around. I've never tried it before. Obviously, it's not gonna work. And the dull side is gonna be at the top. Grab your trusty pen. Click it. Once this is nice and dry, Smell it. Yeah, it's good. It's clean. Place it in the middle. All right, you don't have to be perfect. And just admire the Yeezys. Okay, all right. I don't know why I'm clicking it and clicking it out again. Just start tracing. Oh, test it. Yes. Start drawing beautiful heart shapes. Cool. Trace around the shoe. All right, so let's just get started. I don't want to waste time. Is the shiny side supposed to be facing the bottom? I think so. Yes, it is. Okay. Just trace around. Again, you don't have to be perfect because we're going to cut this. Just don't draw on the freaking shoes. Holy moly, if you do that. Grab your scissors. Now look at my tracing job. It's like kindergarten artwork. You don't even need to have skills to do this. Now, some people like to cut on the line, just inside the line, outside the line. I like to do it just outside the line, maybe like 1 millimeter around it. The reason being is because depending on the shoe, you want to make sure that it has enough plastic film to actually wrap up. If you cut it inside the line, it might actually just be enough to cover the bottom and not enough to wrap up. So for you guys who are like, oh no, I want to wrap up the whole thing, go ahead and cut all around the outside of the frickin' pen line. I don't recommend it. So let's just start cutting and talking about something. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm just gonna do one side because I don't got time to do both sides. Check this out. Woo! All right, shiny side, bottom. Put the shoe on, just kind of like eyeing it out like, oh, did I make a mistake? No, it looks good. Make sure that there's no unwanted dirt and dust. All right, everything looks good. Yeah. Okay, cool. Test your hair dryer. Oh my God, it's too hot. All right, put some candies there just in case I need it, because I'm getting nervous. What you need to do is work from heel to toe, all right? I'm gonna leave the shoe like this. Just hope I don't screw up. Start peeling the film, okay? Just carefully peel the film. Don't touch the sticky side too much because you don't want, oh my God, I'm already failing. Catch my breath. Don't accidentally sneeze, cough. You don't want COVID on the sticky side of this film. I'm having trouble peeling. Reshoevn8r, come on! Holy moly, is it my fingers? What's going on? Almost got it. It's like peeling a bandage and I'm struggling. Yes, it's like peeling a bandage. You don't want to contaminate the bandage before you cover your wounds, or someone else's wounds is okay, but your wounds, you don't want to dirty the side that is going to be contacting the wound, your injury, your boo-boo. All right, I got it. I know Reshoevn8r, they make things look so easy. They never make a mistake, but that's a lie. All right, so I'm gonna just place it heel to toe. By the way, just let it roll down. Yeah, messed up already. Peel it off. Crap. You want to make sure the film is covering. All right. Come on, Leon. Come on. Ah. Oh yeah. You guys are probably like, oh, Leon has many takes in his tutorials. He has a lot of freaking Soul Shields lying around, so in case he messes up, he can redo it. No. This stuff is not cheap. This is live, okay? That's why I'm so nervous. Make sure that depending on how big your film is, for this one in particular, there's at least a few millimeters around the outside of the soles, right? Because I want to make sure that you can fold it up like a pancake. Forgot to grab a microfiber cloth. Now, start using your hands and just flatten out this film, all right? Pushing it out, okay? Don't go in circles. That's just weird. We're not massaging right now. Just make sure that there's no unwanted air pockets. I'm showing you under the light so you guys can actually see. And you can see my pale skin because I'm Asian. I don't like going out when it's sunny. I need a haircut. Grab your heat gun, turn it on. I'm gonna set it to the lowest setting if you guys must. Don't blow my face, all right? Let it warm up for a bit. And I'm still gonna do the same way. I'm gonna work from heel to toe, okay? Heel to toe, slowly. Let's test it on your skin. Woo. Woo. While you're waiting for this to heat up, that's why. Have some candy. Don't put it directly onto the film. Don't do this. Just do like at least a couple inches away and just work in this kind of motion, targeting section by section. Don't be afraid. You can definitely leave it on a certain area until you feel like, hey, the film is softening up. When I rolled the edges, it's actually adhering to the outsole. That's good. Once you're done working on an area and you know like, hey, you know what, there's no air bubbles, there's no air pockets, I didn't make a hole, you can work down, do section by section until the entire sole is finished. And sometimes I don't like to use microfiber cloths or some kind of cloth because I know that the sticky film on the edge there, it might actually catch some of the lint accidentally as you're rolling it. That's one of the things that I'm like, I don't want to use a cloth all the time. I'm just gonna damage my fingers because no one cares about my Asian fingers. YouTube thumbnail. All right, freaking Sole Shields. That's why I wear my shoes. I am totally dissing those that need Sole Shields for the shoes. I understand if you're reselling the shoes, whatever, that's cool. Or if you got like $10,000 pair of shoes, that's cool. But why did you buy in the first place if you're not gonna wear it? All right, guys, let me show you real quick. Yes, I'm gonna use my middle finger. You see that? That's not done yet. This is kind of done. You see how it's just nice and rounded up the buttocks? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole thing and eat some more candies while we're at it. Oh yeah, this is so fun. Okay, make sure you, when you're doing a new section, aim at the middle and then push out, okay, push out. Don't push the film inwards. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. I can tell you right now, my electricity bill is gonna go up because of doing this crap. But I know there's a brand out there, their sole protectors, the bottom is actually entirely just all traction. Reshoevn8r. Why do you still have to do it this way and stick traction pads on it? For this particular edge, if you're like, oh, I can't fold it up, don't be afraid. Just make sure you put a little bit more heat until it's soft, and then you can start folding it up, all right? If you're happy, I'm happy, the shoe's happy. So this is done. Check it out. I'm a pro, kind of, not really. No air pockets. Let's turn the shoes this way. You see that? It's pretty clean, all right? Not too bad, maybe cut a little bit too much there, but it's all good, right? The most important thing is protecting the shoes. Now, the other side, I'm not even gonna bother. This is it, this is the tutorial. Oh my God, just, I don't wanna do this anymore. I wanna eat all the candies. Collect all the candies, because that's more important.